Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. Let's begin. This will be a yoga practice for restorative. Allow yourself to lay down. Bring the sole of the feet together. Allow yourself to set an intention here. Allow yourself to find that pose and be comfortable. Bring one hand on top of the heart. Bring one hand on the belly. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow your face to completely relax here. Allow your shoulder to relax. Notice the intention here, but allow yourself to scan the body. And as we have it, notice your breath and slowly breathe in and out. Inhale, bring the legs in towards each other. The left ankle is going to come to the right knee. Flex the left foot and reach the hands overhead. Relax your shoulder away from the ears. Just checking in how you feel. Then when you're ready, thread the left hand in between the thigh and catch your right shin. Allow your shoulder to relax. Go to where you are comfortable. You can decide to bring the hands behind the right thigh or keep your hands on the shin. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Slowly release the left foot. Similarly, bring the right ankle on top of the left knee. Extend the hands overhead. Stay here. And as you exhale, thread a hand and catch your left shin. Breathe in and breathe out. Flex the right foot and allow yourself to go within. Your breath is equally important. Now, check in. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, lower the left foot on the mat. Release the right knee and hug your knee towards your chest. Rock back and forth to massage your spine and slowly press yourself into all fours. Hands underneath the shoulder, knee underneath the hip. Thumb and index for a counted cow. Exhale, rounding. As you inhale, look up, dropping your belly towards the mat, shoulder down. As you exhale, round. Now, slowly tuck the toes under, lift the knee, press the right leg in between the hand. I want you to notice your breath and lower your left knee on the mat. Hands come on top of the right knee. You can look up if that is comfortable for you. You can look forward. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, frame the front foot and then slowly press into your half split. Maybe pointing toes or flexing toes. You can put block on your hands to allow you to go deeper into the pose. Breathe in and breathe out. These poses are to invigorate your body and also to release tension. Bend the right leg, look forward, lengthen. Find your shoulder, lift your left knee, and then slowly hop your left leg until your left heel is on the mat. Coming into pyramid pose. You can put your hands on a block. You can start to walk your fingers towards the left foot. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly walk your right leg back to your downward facing dog. Inhale forward into your plank. Left leg in between the hand. Lower your right knee for low lunge on this side. Bring both hands on top of that left knee and really releasing your hip here and shoulders. Lift the sternum, look up, and allow your face to also relax. I want you to notice your breath, releasing any tension. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, frame the front foot, look forward, lengthen. Exhale, straighten the left leg and come into your half split. Work into where you're comfortable. You can flex your toes and feel the sensation. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale, bend the left leg, look forward, lengthen. And then exhale. Inhale, lift the right knee, hop your right knee towards the left foot. And then bring your right heel on the mat, look forward, lengthen. Exhale, fold completely. Pyramid pose. Breathe in and out. Go into any variation of your choice. Inhale. Exhale, press back into your downward facing dog. Forward into your plank, yogi push up, lower all the way to the mat. Come into cobra. Then exhale, press into your child's pose. Once again, scan your body, pushing your hip towards your heels. And when you're ready, slowly go over to the right side and come into your side plank. Reach the right hand up, an option to bring your right knee on the mat, right forearm on the mat, and extend the left hand overhead. Exhale, bring the left hand down and go over to the left side. Right hand reach up. Look at your right thumb or the left thumb. You can lower the left knee on the mat. That's an option. And breathe in and out. Extending and then exhale. Release the right hand. Tuck the left knee and come back into plank and walk your legs towards your hands and sit in Malasana, prayer squat. Notice your breath. Exhale, bring the hands down, lift the hip. Look forward, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Standing forward fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knee and come back to Malasana, prayer squat. Exhale, bring the hands and then hug your left leg in. Cradle that left leg and rock from side to side. This is a great way to release the IT band, release any tension on the shoulder, on the hip, and sit nice and tall. Exhale, release the left foot towards the perineum. Square the hip, bring the hands behind you. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, reach forward, catch your right foot, right toes pointing all the way to the sky. Lengthen the spine, then exhale, forward fold. I want you to notice your breath and feeling free to adjust yourself in this pose. Inhale, bring that left foot to meet with the right. Dandasana, hands reach up. Exhale, reach both hands overhead. Feel free to use a strap, a scarf. Then exhale, forward fold. Lengthen the spine. Shoulders away from the ears. If you gain space, lengthen. One day your chin would eventually meet your toes. Inhale, return back. Then hug your right foot in. Frame the front foot, cradle the right foot like a child. Allowing your hip or any tension to release. Breathe in and out. Being gentle with yourself. Allowing all the sensation. And then allowing yourself to observe. Bring your right foot towards the perineum, hands reach up. As you exhale, reach your hands towards the left foot. Inhale, look forward to lengthen. Exhale, fold completely. Observing your breath, observing the sensations in the body. Inhale in here, exhale in. Release that which no longer serves you. Breathe in and out. Inhale, slowly look forward to lengthen. Walk your hands towards your body and straighten the right leg. Windshield wiper, wiggle the legs, hands reach up, Dandasana. Seated forward fold, reach the hands forward, interlace the hand underneath your feet. Exhale, forward fold. Making any necessary adjustment to bring the back of the knee on the mat. I want you to find your breath, lengthen the spine, and continue to breathe. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, bring the hands behind you. Slowly and mindfully bend the knee. Then inhale, lift the hip up. You can decide to let the neck release or you can look forward. Bring your hip back into the mat. Inhale, lift the hip, opening the front of the hip. Look forward. Inhale, left. Notice your thumb and index finger. Notice your shoulder away from the ears. Push into your big toe, look forward, lengthen, and bring your bum C on the mat. Cross the leg, sit nice and tall, hands reach up, clasp opposite elbow, and allow yourself to take a twist over to the left side. Drawing the right shoulder down, pulling your belly in, lifting through the sternum. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up, and we take that twist to the right side. With every breath, I want you to observe your twists. Allow your eyes to soften. Then inhale, return your gaze forward, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. You can bring your forearm on the mat. If you have the flexibility, you can lay yourself flat on the mat. Breathe in and out. Find your breath. And walk your hands towards your body. When you have it, wiggle your toes and slowly lay yourself down in Shavasana. Allow yourself to bend the knee. Then inhale, lift the hip up. And then interlace the hand for bridge pose. My apologies. Breathe in and out. Exhale, lower the hip. Inhale, lift the hip. And notice the back body. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift the hip. Maybe you support your hand underneath your back body. You can put a block. You can put a pillow. Exhale, release. Hug your knee in towards your chest. Massaging from side to side, releasing any tension on the lower back. When you have it, return back to how we started in butterfly pose, Sutta Baddha Konasana. This is one of my favorite poses to do in a restorative pose, and allow yourself to breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. You can stay here in the butterfly pose as long as you like, or you can come back and take final relaxation pose, Shavasana. Relax your toes, your fingers, your ankle, and your wrists. Stay here as you like, or you can bring subtle movements into the body. Looking right and looking left, releasing any tension around the neck region if you're coming up. Bring your legs together, reach the hands overhead, stretch on your mat, lengthen the spine, and then slowly hug your right knee in. And then bring the left knee in to meet with the right. Squeezing in, rock from side to side, and find your length. Slowly roll over to the right side in fetal position. And slowly and mindfully, at your own pace, you can bring yourself up to seated. Allowing yourself to honor yourself for showing up to the mat. I enjoy teaching. If you like this content and it brings any value to you, please like, share, and subscribe. My name is Beth. Thank you for joining me in this short yoga practice. For those days that you don't have time and you still want to practice, from me to you, the light in me honors and cherish the light in you. Be well. Until next time, namaste. I hope you subscribe. I'll see all of you soon. Thank you.